How to delete Google Play Store search history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Google Play Store search history. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Play Store app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just scroll down and select settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you can just tap on general option. And now here, you can simply scroll down and select account and device preferences. And after that, on the next page, if you scroll down there, you will see the option labeled as clear device search history. So just tap on it. And once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can confirm your action by tapping on clear history option again. And that's it. That's how you can delete Google Play Store search history. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.